Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create a maximize conversion value bid strategy in Google Ads. Before we go straight to the point, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So you log into Google Ads, you go to Tools, under Budgets and Bidding, you click Bid Strategies, you click the plus symbol, and you choose Maximize Conversion Value. First of all, what does it mean? It means maximize revenue. This is a strategy for e-commerce companies that they want to maximize revenue, or for any company that is already tracking revenue and they want to maximize the revenue. So a prerequisite, you need to have some historical data, and also you need to be able to track revenue. Now I'm going to give you a lot more tips in just a minute. Before we do that, we're going to give the bid strategy a name. We're going to call it Test Maximize Conversion Value Bid Strategy. And here we're going to choose who owns the strategy. Is it going to be our individual Google Ads account or the MCC, the manager account? In case you're using a manager account, we're going to go for the individual account. Now you have the choice to select the campaigns that you're going to apply this bid strategy to, or you can skip this step and create the bid strategy, then go ahead and assign it to certain campaigns. Very important, you need to untick the option to create a share budget. We don't want to create share budget. We want to go with individual budgets always. And now you have one more option. You can choose to set a target return on ad spend, target ROAS percentage here. So to have a maximize conversion value bid strategy with a target return on ad spend. So let's say I want to maximize revenue, but I want also to achieve a return on ad spend of 200%, 300%, and so forth. And there are some other advanced options. If you choose to go with also target ROAS, you have the option to also cap the CPC. So you can say, I want to also cap the CPC to $1. You are only able to cap the CPC if you choose to go with a target return on ad spend on top of your maximize conversion value bid strategy. Now, what do all these things mean? Let's take them one by one because it's getting too complicated, I feel. What does this strategy do? This strategy is designed to get you revenue. So if you come here and you create a maximize conversion value bid strategy and you don't assign any target ROAS, this strategy is going to aggressively bid as high as possible to get you as much revenue as possible. I don't personally recommend you to do that because it may have the completely opposite effects. If you allow the system to go and bid as aggressive as possible to get you revenue, you may get the revenue, but you're going to get the revenue in a way that is not going to be profitable for your business. So the best way to use the maximize conversion value strategy is together with a target ROAS. So now we say to the system, go out there and bid as aggressively as possible, but make sure that our target return on ad spend is a minimum of 300% in this case. In this case, we also need to be realistic. So we need to assess what kind of return on ad spend we are achieving at the moment and then go and give a target. Now, you can always, let's say, set a maximum bid limit if you choose to give a target ROAS. But in this case, if you are to do that, I don't really see a difference between the maximize conversion value strategy and the target ROAS strategy. So if you are to, let's say, create a maximize conversion value strategy, cap it with a target ROAS and also cap the CPC, you might as well go straight into target ROAS. You don't need to select this option because effectively we are doing the same thing here, right? Now, who should use this strategy? Who should not use this strategy? The ideal way to use this strategy is maximize conversion value with a target ROAS without capping the CPC, because the whole point here is to be aggressive and get the revenue within a target ROAS and give to the system free remit to play. So there is a peak season, Christmas, Ramadan, Chinese New Year. You want to maximize revenue. For whatever, let's say, reason, you have a promotion, you launch a new product, you want to maximize revenue. That's a bit strategy that is going to be useful for you. So you might as well go ahead and use it. Who should not use this bid strategy? If you are not tracking conversions and revenue, obviously this bid strategy is not for you. If there is no peak season, there is no a specific business need to maximize, let's say, revenue at all costs, I would say that Target ROAS is a better option for your business. That's my personal opinion. But I also want to hear your opinion in the comments, how you use Maximise Conversion Value, what kind of results are you getting? Do you have any questions? Was this useful? Yes or no? That's pretty much it with this bid strategy. I don't personally use it a lot. I prefer to go with Target ROAS for my e-commerce projects. I don't use Maximise Conversion Value because I don't like bid strategies that are going all in to achieve something. This typically actually results in the opposite result. But really curious again to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching again and have a great day in any time zone.